is the letter O. Dark brown. The hair of Snow White princess. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the most beautiful girl in the world? That is Snow White, the most beautiful princess in the world. I still remember that line. Ooh. Oh, wait, I need to fix this one. Okay. I hope I can make it. I can make the last sticker. Miss Cynthia's request. I hope I'll do my best, guys. 139 viewers. Thank you so much, guys. Every day I have a diamond painting live stream. So please, guys, please subscribe and then click the bell button so you can notify every time I have a diamond painting live stream. I only have 2 hours live stream, guys. In afternoon, 2 hours, and in evening, this time, 10:30 Japanese time, Japan time. So let's proceed with the letter D. No more stop. Don't stop, Delia. Go, go, go. Oh, maybe I can extend a little time for you, Miss Cinti, if you are still there, until I finish your request. Okay, there you are. Siblings charm. Wow. How much does this set cost? Well, it's really but here in Japan, it's really cost a lot because of the sets and the organizer. But maybe in your country, I don't know it depends on the country, guys. In Philippines, this is very cheap. I heard from some of my friends doing this diamond painting. They said it's cheap, more compare here in Japan. This is not cheap and not too expensive. Well, enough, just enough. Enough to enjoy my hobby, my passion. Okay, letter Q and letter P, guys. I think I need to extend a little maybe about 10 minutes, guys, until this last sticker here, because some of our one of our viewer request to this one, so I'll try my best, guys.